Hi, this is the POCO F5 Pro and I'll show you how to enable or disable silent mode on this device. So let's first open the settings and then tap to the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see ringtone volume panel, so just to activate silent mode we could only mute ringtone volume panel. Now we can see that the silent mode is activated. If you want to turn it off, just unmute ring volume panel and that's it. Also we got here the silent mode switcher, so we could turn on or turn off this option by use of this switcher. Also we could silence media in silent mode if you want. By the same way, we could also use the mute icon on control panel. Just click on this icon to activate or turn off NFC option, the silent mode option. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.